Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a complete tour of Google's flagship AI tools. We are going to start by diving deep into Google Gemini, covering everything from how to log in to what it is, how you can use it every day. Then, once we have explored Gemini, we will jump over to Google AI Studio. I'll show you how you can access it, explain its purpose for builders and developers, and walk through some practical examples. And by the end of this video, you will have a crystal clear understanding of both the platforms and know exactly which one to use for your goals. Let's begin with Google Gemini. First things first, let's get you logged in. Open your favorite web browser and navigate to gemini.google.com. So just go to gemini.google.com and it will take you to the Gemini's website. You will need a Google account to proceed. If you are not signed in, click on sign in, enter your Gmail address and then click next. If you already have your Gmail address logged in to your web browser, it will showcase here like this. So just click on your mail ID and then it will ask you to enter your password. So I'm just going to enter my password here. And just like that, you're in. Welcome to Google Gemini's interface. You are now ready to chat with one of the world's most advanced AI models. So just click on Chat with Gemini to get started. This is the interface of Google Gemini where you can enter your prompts and get the output from Gemini 2.5 Pro, the latest version. So there are two models in Google Gemini, the 2.5 Flash and the 2.5 Pro. Flash model is basically a lighter model that gives you responses very instantly or very fast, and the 2.5 Pro model is the advanced model. It takes some time to generate the answer as it thinks and then give you an accurate answer. So you can use any one of the model according to your task. Now I'm going to tell you about Gemini exactly is. So think of Gemini as your personal AI assistant or a creative partner. It's a finished product, a user-friendly application designed for direct conversations. You can ask questions and it provides you answers. You can give it tasks and it will help you complete them. So you can use Gemini whenever you want to brainstorm, write, summarize, learn, or if you want to just explore an idea in a conversational way. Let's look at some real world examples of Gemini. Let's say I need to write a professional email to my manager asking for a day off. So here I have written a prompt where I have written that I want to write a polite and professional email to my manager, Priya Sharma, requesting leave on Friday, August 15 for a personal appointment. Mention that I will complete my work before I leave. So here is the email that it has crafted for me. I use the 2.5 Pro version, so you can also see how the AI thinks while it gets your answer and then it gives you an response. So this is the email that Google Gemini has drafted for me. Another example can be, let's say if you're planning a weekend trip to New Delhi and you need an itinerary. So here I have used the 2.5 Flash version and this is the prompt I have written. Create a 2-day itinerary for a tourist visiting New Delhi for the first time. Include a mix of historical sites, food experiences and modern attractions. So Google Gemini runs this prompt and then it has given me an itinerary for 2 days. So the difference between the Flash version and the Pro version is that the Flash version doesn't give you the thinking of the AI model as we did in the 2.5 Pro version. Alright, so now switching gears a bit, we will now explore Google AI Studio. So to open Google AI Studio, you have to open a new tab. So to open Google AI Studio, you have to click on a new tab and go to ai.google.dev and then click on this link, Gemini Developer API. So it will guide you towards the Google's AI Studio's website. So click on Explore Models in Google AI Studio and then you will get a interface of Google AI Studio right in front of you. It uses the same Google login. Since you have already signed in into Google Gemini, it will likely take you straight to the dashboard. If not, just repeat the same quick login steps. As you can see, we are logged in here because we previously logged in into Google Gemini. Alright, so If Gemini is a finished product, what is AI Studio? AI Studio is the workshop. It is the platform for developers and builders. It gives you direct access to the powerful AI models, the engine that runs Gemini. You can also build your own AI powered applications. You can use AI Studio when you want to create a custom solution, a prototype to a new feature, or integrates Google's AI into your own app or website. Let's see this in action. Imagine if you want to build a sentiment analyzer for customer reviews. You can set up a prompt here to just do that. So let me write the prompt. Alright, so here I have written the prompt that you are a sentimental analysis bot. Classify the following customer review as positive or negative or neutral, and this is the review that the customer has given us. The delivery was fast, but the product was damaged. So as we can see that the review here is negative. So let's see if Gemini is able to predict this. So I will just run the prompt. It will take a few seconds because it uses the same Gemini 2.5 Pro model. We can also see the thinking here, and it has given us the result that the review given to us by the customer is negative. This is a simple prototype. From here, you can take the API key and build an application that automatically processes thousands of reviews. You can get your API key here. From here, you can look up the API key if you already have, or you can create an API key also. By clicking on this option, you can create your API key. Alright, moving on. Let's see one more example in Google AI Studio. So here's another example. In the prompt window, I have written the prompt, generate a JSON object for a travel package to Goa, India, include fields for title, duration, days, highlight, and price in INR. Show the model generation with a clear JSON code. So here I will just run the prompt. It will again take a few seconds. You can also see the timing of the output here. And after that, it will give us the output. So this is the structured output that we can use directly in our application, saving us massive amounts of time. And this is the power of AI Studio. Let's quickly recap the difference. Use Google Gemini when you want to talk to an AI for help with writing, planning, and learning. It's your personal AI assistant. And use Google AI Studio when you want to develop or you want to build with AI. It's your develop workshop for creating custom applications. Thank you for watching. You know now how to access both the platforms and their core purpose. In the next video, we'll master prompting in Gemini and start building full projects in AI Studio. I'll see you in the next video.